Alright. Gonna do this with not looking to the. Let's go for. Oh my goodness, I can dash all day. Good lord. That's just for, as Scotch would say, grins and giggles. Do it till then. Oh, hey, hotspot too. Nice. Let's make this money. Alright, so I'm just sitting here. I am in a hotspot here. I'll just show you guys. I'm in a hotspot, sitting right in the middle of it. So, I guess we pretty much just wait around for an order. And it's good too, because if you guys notice, here, let me show you. So yeah, I was telling you, like these areas, that's where all the orders are. So if I zoom out, like that's it. Like there's not, it's not like in Clinton where, you know, I'm over in a non-busy area, but it's saying that it's red. If that makes sense. So yeah, that's it. So that's pretty awesome. Alright, just got an order for Chick-fil-A. So I am here. It really wasn't that far. It's for like $6.50, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. And yeah, first order, pretty good. Alright, so I'm here at Chick-fil-A because that's all I've been doing. I had 3 orders and I made like $22.75, I think, $22 in like an hour and a half, so that's not too bad. But I had to take a little break, and yeah, that's not a DoorDash order, that's mine. I had a moment of weakness. It's just so much Chick-fil-A, I had to have it. So I'm gonna eat this and then see what it's like. Might head back home, only because, you know, I don't have AC and it's already getting pretty hot. It's supposed to be like 90 today, I think. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna eat this, see how I feel, and I'm gonna go from there. Alright, I'm back here at the house. I go take my mom to get her hair did at my aunt's beauty salon, which I'm thinking that I might actually have some fun and play around with the 120 frames per second, a little slow-mo, once we get over there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Alright, well, someone's going to be taking Mom over to Papa's, so I have to go back home and get the drone, because I forgot that. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Where are my keys? There they are. I forgot that, so I'm going to go home, get the drone, head over to Papa's, and then, I don't know, hopefully some cool slow-mo B-roll and drone footage and all that fun stuff. Well, I'm over here with Papa. Mom's over there. Yeah. You got fans, Papa.
I give up.
We're just waiting for everybody else to show up, and we're gonna get you having a good time. Got the drone over here, right there. So you know it's getting ready to happen. Alright guys, well I'm back here at the house. Turned out that Papa's wasn't exactly what I thought it was going to be, so I kind of tried to just get creative with some B-roll, and hopefully it looked good. I don't know yet, I haven't edited it together, but you guys just saw it, so hopefully it looked good. Anyway, tomorrow, plan is to get up at 5 a.m. again and do the DoorDash thing, because if I get there early, then I'll be good. Because it seems like Chick-fil-A in that one little area is where it's just going good. And then there's other restaurants in that area too, like Longhorn, like Chili's. So when lunchtime gets busy, I'm going to try to push through the urge to want to just quit and come home and actually stay there for a good amount of time tomorrow. But we'll see how that goes. But yeah, anyway guys, hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you all tomorrow.